Hi dear students, welcome to the section of Mathematics of class 10. Today we are going to deal with the MCQs of the chapter Trigonometry. So here goes the very first question before you. The value of cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree into like that cos 89 degree into cos 90 degree is. So what actually it is given? Cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree. So here you have studied, you know only this much, right? You know only this much. So cos 0 degree into cos 1 degree into cos 2 degree, leave everything behind. You don't know that one. Actually you know only these functions, right? Here there are only 5 functions. You know only about these 5 functions. But they are asking plenty. But let me remind you one thing. See here, from this one thing is very clear that cos 90 degree is 0. So in our question, cos 90 is also given there towards the last, right? Cos 0 degree, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree, cos 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this 89 and cos 90 degree. Multiply all these numbers, means you have to find the product of all these numbers. So anyhow, whatever the value is, cos 1 degree of cos 2 degree, cos 6, it doesn't matter. But finally when you're getting multiplied by 0, the whole thing becomes 0. Isn't it? So if already you know that cos 90 is 0 degree, so we will say that the answer of this question is 0 degree. Without touching the pen itself, you are getting the answer, right? So you will choose the relevant one. So 0 is the answer for that question, because when you are saying cos 90, and let me remind you, if it is given in sine, there also you already know sine 0 is 0 itself. So if it is given, the question is given like this, sine 0 into cos sine 0 into sine 1 degree into sine 2 degree into whatever it is, sine 0 is already 0. So whatever you are going to multiply, the final product is going to become 0 itself. So for this typical type of question, there is no need to do anything, it's 0 itself. So you can choose the correct answer, you can mark it, 0 is the right answer. Going to the next question. If x tan 45 degree into sine 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree into tan 30 degree, then x is equal to. Okay, so here let me just mention what it is given. What is given? X tan 45 degree, right? X tan 45 degree into sine 30 degree is equal to, what is given? Cos 30 degree into tan 30 degree. You have to find the value of this x. Now tell me, x into, what is tan 45? What is tan 45? It is 1. So x into 1 into sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? It is 1 by 2 is equal to, what is cos 30? Cos 30, it is root 3 by 2 into tan 30. It is 1 by root 3. Here you can see root 3 and root 3 will get cancelled, right? Now x into 1 is x itself, x by 2. Taking this 2 to that side, here only x will become, x is equal to, here root 3 and root 3 already cancelled. Now 1 by 2 is the only thing which is remaining over this area. And taking this 1 by 2 to that side, it will become into 2 by 1. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Finally you will get 1 as the answer. So 1 is the correct answer, that's all. If you know the values, just put them, place them and just try to solve them, you will get it. The main thing is that you must know these things. That's why initially I gave you the idea behind this one. Hope you understood. Next question. Sine 2b is equal to 2 sine b. Let me write it. Sine 2b is equal to 2 sine b. So this is the thing which is given. Is true when b is equal to, there are 4 options given here, 0 degree, 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Which one is the relevant option? See here, just imagine like this. If you are giving here 30 degree, just imagine that if you are giving here, without doing itself, we can find the answer. See, if you are giving here 30 degree, 2 into 30, it will become 60 degree, right? It will become 60 degree. What about here? That 30 you have to give here itself. So if you are giving 2 into 30, it will become sine 60 degree. What is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. Keep that in your mind. Now, if you are giving the same 30, you have to give here also. If you are giving here 30, you have to give here also 30. So 2 into sine 30. What is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. What did we got here? It was root 3 by 2. What did we got here? It is 1. Is it true? No. That means even if you are giving a smaller value, it's not going to become equal. right? So that means even if you are giving 30 degree or 60 degree or 90 degree, the same thing is going to happen. What about 0 degree? If you are giving here 0 degree, this will become sine 0. Sine 0 is 0 itself. Keep that in your mind. You got this area. Sine 0 is 0 itself. Now let us place that same 0 here. Here again 0, sine 0. What is sine 0? 0. So 2 into 0, 0 itself. That means the measurement will be B. If you want to equate these two equations, then the value which you have to give to the angle B is 0 degree. So you will choose the correct option. Answer 0 is the right option. Here goes the next question before you. If A, B, C are the interior angles of triangle ABC. So there is a triangle given and A, B, C are referred as the interior angles of the triangle. Is that clear? Now the condition given here is cos B plus C by 2. Cos B plus C divided by 2 is equal to, you have to find this one. So there are 4 options given here. Among this, which one is the right option? That's what your problem is. So what about cos B plus C by 2? In a fraction of a second, I will just give you a hint also from this one. Very fast you are going to get. See, here already I told you there is a relationship between sine and cos, right? There is a relation. So whenever a cos is being asked, your answer is going to happen sine itself. Keep this in your mind, sine itself. Okay, it's a lengthy process. If you're studying this in the chapter, you can understand it's a 3-mark question or it may be a 4-mark question. That much a lengthy process you have to do, but there is nothing to worry about. Whenever you are seeing such a question, if cos is given, sine is your answer. And already it is mentioned A, B and C are the angles. A, B and C are the angles of the given triangle. So here B and C is already given. So the missing part is A, and A by 2 will be the right answer. That's all. Nothing to worry about. You can, for 1-mark question, this information is quite enough. But if you want to do for 3-mark question and 4-mark question, you have to refer the video of trigonometry. Refer there, you will get the answer how to do this one in the lengthy process. So actually, if in cos it is given, it is B and C is given, then the missing part is A. So A by 2 will be the answer. Next one, if just imagine A plus B is given, then answer will be C by 2. Okay, then if A plus C is given, the answer will be B by 2, like that. Which letter is missing from here, that letter will come here divided by 2. And if it is cos, it will be sine. If it is sine, that will be cos. If it is sec, it will be cosec. And if it is cosec, this will be sec. And if it is cot, this will be tan. And if it is tan, this will be cot. Means sine and cos, cosec and sec, tan and cot. These are the relations. So just imagine, just understand that much. So whenever you are seeing this typical type of question, just choose this one. B and C is there. Okay, A is not there. So missing property is A. Missing thing is A. So put that either A by 2. Cos. That's why sine. Like that. In fraction of a second, you will get the answer. Hope you understood. So here goes the next question before you. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. So it's a triangle ABC. It's right angled at B. So first of all, let us draw the triangle. So we are just simply drawing the triangle, and it's clearly mentioned it's right angled at B. A triangle which is right angled at B. So the other 2 parts will be A and C, right? Then what is given inside the question? AB is equal to 24 and BC is 7. So AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter. You mark it. You have to find the value of tan C. So this is your angle tan C. What is tan? Tell me tan. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB. By adjacent side is BC. So opposite side by adjacent side is AB by BC. It is 24 by 7. 24 by 7. That's it. That's the answer. So actually, if you know these equations from that equation, just straightforward drop it down. But initially you have to draw the figure, and then that means when you're drawing the figure, actually very clearly you can understand that. You will get an idea where it is, what it is, like that. Means which is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side. So the figure gives a clear-cut idea behind this one. Okay, so that's it. So the option 24 by 7 is the right answer. Next one, we have to find the value of sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree minus sine 60 degree plus cos 30 degree. Okay, so sine 30 degree, right? That is the first thing. Sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree. What is sine 30? It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus, what is next one? Sine 30 degree plus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2 itself. So the first part is over. Minus Sine 60 degree, it is root 3 by 2 plus cos 30 degree. Cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. That's why I told you, if you know the values very fast, you will be able to solve this one. Now 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is half, 1 by 2 is another half, half plus half is 1 itself. There is no need to write taking the denominators and then common denominator is 2, then multiplying by that 1 plus 1 is 2, then 2 by 2 is 1. There is no need. 1 by 2 means it's half. So half plus half is full 1. That's it. Minus. Here you can take like that. 2 and 2, they are common. Root 3 plus root 3 is 2 root 3. And 2 and 2 will cut. 1 minus root 3 is the answer. So you will choose that 1 minus root 3 is the answer. So like this, if you know the values, straightforward, put the values inside that one and you can solve that one. It's so easy. Going to the next question. If cos x is equal to 2 by 3. So cos x is equal to 2 by 3. That is given. Cos x is equal to 2 by 3. This is given, okay? Then you have to find tan x. Tan x. See, cos x is given 2 by 3. Cos x is given 2 by 3. Just imagine that this is the triangle itself, and just imagine this is your x, this is your x, just imagine that this is your x. Okay, cos x. What is cos? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means your adjacent side is 2 and your hypotenuse is 3. Adjacent side by hypotenuse means this one, the adjacent side is 2 and the hypotenuse is 3. In this triangle, right? 2 and 3. What do you want to find? You want to find tan x. Tan, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent. Anyhow, adjacent side is 2. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Tell me what will be the length of opposite side. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can say this side is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square. So that is root of, what is it? 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that will be root 5. So we can say here, this will be root 5. So the answer is tan x is equal to root 5 by 2. That means whenever you are getting like this, prepare a rough sketch of a right angle triangle and drop the values there accordingly by using the equation. Then you will get, and which side you have to find that side. And then just by equation, you can bring it down. So this is the way. Isn't it easy? Yeah. Going to the next question. 5 tan square a minus 5 sec square a plus 1 is equal to. So let me write that one. 5 tan square a minus 5 sec square a plus 1. So from first both of this thing, 5 is common. Let me take the 5 as common. So it will become tan square a minus sec square a plus 1. Tan square a minus sec square a. Tan square theta minus sec square theta. Is there a formula like that? No. It is sec square theta minus tan square theta, right? If it was sec square theta minus tan square theta, you could substitute it by 1. What about tan square theta minus sec square theta? See, I will tell you. 4 minus 3, how much it is? It is 1. What about 3 minus 4? It's minus 1. Right? Means if you're interchanging that one, the sign changes. So I can say here, if sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, then definitely tan square theta minus sec square theta will be minus 1. So I can substitute here 5 into minus 1 plus 1. Tell me, 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 plus 4 is minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer. So like this you can get it. Clear? So here goes the next question before you. The value of the expression sine raised to 6 theta. Let me write that one. So here you have to find the value of the expression. So here sine raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. You have to find the value of this one. How to find the value? I tell you. You already know the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let us take that identity here. Taking that identity, how can you write that one? So, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here you want sine raised to 6 theta. That means you have to take the cube roots. Taking cubes on both sides. This whole cube and this one whole cube means this is the whole cube and here one cube. What about a plus b the whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So a cube. The first one here, it is this one, a cube. So instead of a, it is sine square theta. So a cube means sine square theta the whole cube plus b cube. Here it is b is cos square theta. So b cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab sine square theta cos square theta. 3ab into a plus b. Here it is a, this is b. So sine square theta plus cos square theta means a plus b is over is equal to, tell me what is the cube of 1? It is 1 itself. You got that much. Now sine square theta the whole cube is sine raised to 6 theta plus this will become cos raised to 6 theta plus here 3 sine square theta into cos square theta into sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? By the identity it is 1. So we can write into 1. I'm not writing that into 1. So it's equal to 1. Isn't this the question which is asked? Sine raised to 6 theta plus cos raised to 6 theta plus 3 sine square theta into cos square. That's 1. That's all. So like this, by the non-equation you have to do it. In case rather than sine, if it is coming sec, you have to take that equation. If it is cosec, you take the third equation. The only method is if it is 6, you have to find the cube. Just imagine that here if it is given square, okay, sine square, something like this. So accordingly, according to that one, you have to categorize that one. Means what it is. So take the relevant identity and take the cube or take the square. Whatever it is, according to the question, you have to change it. Is that clear? That's it. So one final question from that section. If cos 9a is equal to sine a, cos 9a is equal to sine a. If this is given, you have to find tan a. Tan 5a, you have to find tan 5a. Tan 5a is the thing which you have to find. That means tan 5a. This is the thing which you have to find. So this is the given thing. So cos of a particular angle is equal to sine. But when two different trigonometric identities are given, you cannot equate them and you cannot take the same angles and equate them, because here it is a function of cos, here is the function of sine. So first what you have to do is you have to bring these two into the same thing. So this one implies, say cos 9a is equal to, sine function can be written here. You can see if you want to change a sine to cos, you can write 90 minus theta. So here instead of sine I can write cos of 90 minus, here instead of theta it is a. Now on both sides cos are there, so now you can equate it. That means 9a is equal to 90 minus a. 9a is equal to 90 minus a. If you are substituting this one, if you are bringing this a to this side, it will become 9a plus a is equal to 90. 9a plus a is 10a. 10a is equal to 90. That means a is equal to 9. Right? You got the value a is equal to 9. Now you got the value a. Now tell me what about 5a? 5 9s are 5 into 9. It is 45, right? So what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1, right? The value of tan 45 is 1. So the answer of this question is 1. So this is the way how to understand the question and how to solve that one. So that's it from trigonometry. So I hope you understood, and again I repeat, if you know the equations regarding this one, if you know the identities, and if you know where to use them in the perfect way, definitely it will help you a lot in achieving the correct solution in the given time. That's very important. Timing is very important. The management of time is very important while doing these two things. So keep on practicing, and that will increase your speed. Again I tell you that to keep on practicing again and again, so that your speed of solving the given problems will be very increased. It will be rapidly increasing very high. So that's why I tell you, keep on going like this. So that's it for today's class. We will again meet in the next video with a new chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye.